Hello class 8, welcome to my second video on chapter number 3, overpopulation and underpopulation. So in my previous video we have completed till the causes of overpopulation. So in this video we are going to study about the impact of overpopulation. So you can see what can be the impact of overpopulation. The first impact is the depletion of natural resources. Now what happens when population increases in any area, then there will be the pressure on the resources. Okay, what type of resources? Food and water. Okay, the food and water will be very less to fulfill the demands of the population of that area. So when the food will be less, so what will happen? When the food will be less, it will directly lead to malnutrition. Okay, so the people will not get the sufficient food, okay, nutritious food to feed their body, which will ultimately lead to malnutrition. Okay, now to fulfill the demand, okay, to fulfill the resources like food and other, okay, the country has to depends on what? On the imports. Imports means when we buy something from another country. Okay, so they have to depend on other countries to get the resources, so which will ultimately lead to the national debt. Okay, so the nation will be bankrupted. Okay, so nation will be under the debt because they have to depend on other nations for their food and other supply. So you can see that if the natural resources are depleted due to overpopulation, so many effects can be there. Now next one is your environmental hazards. Okay, so even environment are also being exploited due to the overpopulation. Now to meet the growing demand of the people, what will happen? Deforestation will start. Okay, the people will start cutting the trees indiscriminately. Okay, and there will be also the loss of natural habitat for the animals. Even the animals will also become homeless. Okay, where are animals? Home? Forests, but we are continuously cutting the trees. Now why we are cutting the trees? To do industrialization and urbanization. Okay, to make more industries. Okay, to make more houses. Okay, so we need what? We need land to make industries, to construct a factory. Okay, to make a town, we need more land, so which will ultimately lead to deforestation. Now if the forests are less, what will happen? There will be global pollution, isn't it? More vehicles. Okay, trees will not be there to inhale carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Okay, so the earth's temperature will increase, and which will ultimately lead to global warming. You can see, which will ultimately lead to global warming. Okay, so whole earth temperature will increase. Now next one is your unemployment and poverty. Okay, as I told you that even the environment also has some carrying capacity. Okay, in that carrying capacity, your jobs and your, what you say, the employment will also be there. So if the population are more, so there will be the scarcity of job, less jobs. Okay, people will be jobless, which will ultimately leads to poverty. Okay, ultimately it will leads to poverty, and when it will leads to poverty, then what will happen? The family size will increase. When the family size will increase, again there will be overpopulation. Okay, so poverty will be there. Okay, unemployment, because of unemployment, poverty will be there, people will be jobless. Even it will also increase the crime rates. Okay, now next one is your health and sanitation. Okay, health and sanitation. Now what will happen? The people will not live in a place in a very systematic manner. The houses will be constructed haphazardly. There will be no any system of making the houses. Okay, so what will happen? It will leads to poor hygiene and sanitation. The drains will be choked. Okay, slums will be there, garbages will not be disposed properly. So ultimately what will happen? It will leads to many diseases. Okay, and because of the inadequate or inaccessible medical facilities, what will happen? The diseases will spread. Okay, and it will have a negative impact on the demographic characteristic like infant mortality rate. So I will tell you what is infant mortality rate in my upcoming videos. Okay, so health and sanitation. Okay, proper drinking water will not be there. Drinking water will also be very dirty. Okay, there will be germs everywhere. Okay, so this all will had a negative impact on our health. The next one is your imbalance in trade. Okay, now to provide a good medical care, housing and other public facilities, what will happen? The government has to do expenditure on all these facilities like medical care, housing and other facilities. So what will happen? They have to depend on advanced and developed countries for all this, for the public facilities. Okay, they have to depend on other countries because all our money will be used here in constructing the hospitals or providing a good housing facilities and other public facilities. We have to use, the government has to use the huge amount of money on all these issues. Okay, so they have to depend on other country. So what will happen? Our country will not grow economically, our country will not be rich because we all are using our money, the money which we get from the tax, in constructing houses or in medical care. So we have to depend on other advanced countries for this. To depend upon other advanced country, we have to pay them. So when we are paying them, will our economy grow? No, our country's economy will not grow. Our country's prosperity means what you say, the economically, financially our country will not be sound. Okay, so these were some of the negative impact of overpopulation like depletion of natural resources, environmental hazards, unemployment and poverty, health and sanitation and imbalance in trade. Okay, so this much for today children. So in my next video I will teach you underpopulation and its causes and impact. Okay children, so till then take good care of yourself, stay safe and goodbye.